Phela eqinisweni mase sikhuluma iqiniso, iOrlando Pirates inabafana aba-talented abalesiphiwo, abafana abadlalela iPirates, ama-players bePirates banesiphiwo sokudlala ibhola. Into ebadlisile ukuthi izolo versus Sundowns bebadlala lama-quality player versus talent players. Ungaba le-talent but ungela experience, uhlangane lo muntu le-experience, vele ngeke uwine. Lokho sivele iqiniso elikhona. Ungathiwa sizonda iPirates or what. iPirates inabafana abale-talent, abalesiphiwo sebhola, not ama-quality players. Yayibona? Balesiphiwo abafana bePirates, lokho siyakwazi, asikuphiki, balesiphiwo but abala quality players, abantu abane-experience futhi. Yayibona? Into ebashayisile izolo. Ungayibheka igame liyana baqale ngathi baza kahle kuma 20 minutes lapha kwathi vele bazoyichaya iSundowns. Yeyi. Abomdabu babonisa ukuthi ayibona abanolwazi, bale experience, bama quality player. Into esibona izolo thina. Mawukwazi ukuhlaza ibhola, mawukwazi ukulibuka ibhola. Izolo nje iPirates idliswe ukuthi beyidlala versus ama-quality player ane-experience phezulu. Thank you.